What's going on, guys? I am super stoked to go over this project we just did for our customer. Unfortunately, the customer has been in a very bad accident, but he decided to take the opportunity and the advantage to go ahead and get a full Auto Addict bumper to bumper project. When I say so, let me show you what we got right next to me. This is the 10 to 13 OEM bumper for your Camaro, whether you have an SS, an RS, that fits the OEM fenders and the OEM bumper, and you got the quad tail lights on the back. The customer did a full transformation with Auto Addict USA, equipped in a full upgrade without using a 1415 trunk by adding the 1415 bumper with Auto Addict, our signature Velux taillights for the 1415 upgrade, our Evo diffuser with the single quad tips option to offer it for your exhaust, and instead of buying a 1415 Camaro trunk, what we did, we customized and cut just enough and did make sure the trunk is fully functional to close without hitting the taillights. This upgrade is a must-have. It's been one of my favorites. If you guys have not seen the video on our YouTube, I'll put it on the top with Pikachu Camaro, one of our most popular viewed video, how she did the front and the back, fully transforming her Gen 5 Camaro. All right, guys, this is amazing. Again, the customer did not want to paint because I told you guys why, because we went over the back. He did the full front end signature track package edition bumper, 9 pieces, 1 LE style. What I mean by that, it's got the aggressive grille that pops on both sides. It's got the full 1 LE track package lip with the canards, equipped with the DRL headlights, the new Auto Addict USA Gen 5 side markers, and the fog lights as well. We're super excited for this because the customer is not even done yet. This is just phase 1 for his car. He's got fenders and hoods that he wants to add right now, but again, he's been in a car accident. He wanted to take advantage to get these upgrades rather than going back to stock. Therefore, we did take care of the front and the back. But stay tuned, guys. I can't wait to show you what this car is gonna look like very soon. So make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I can't wait to see what we're gonna do for this Camaro.